We all want to be profitable trading sports trading, but we end up forgetting some key important things we need to pay attention to for us to be profitable when you're trading sports. Here are some few things you need to pay attention to when you are trading sports. Number one is this news. You need to pay attention to news very well. News is one of the things that can change the entire direction of the market for that day. You can be looking at your charts. Your chart is giving you a downward direction sign, but because of a news, the market will not follow the price action. The market will follow the news, so the news will change the narrative of the market, which will cause a rechange in direction of the chart. So you need to pay attention to news, and where you can get this news, you can get them on X, you can get them on different places. You can subscribe to all these platforms that drops news updates on crypto related matters. Those kind of sites will helps you a lot. When the moment you read news, you get to understand what is in trend, what is going on, what is current narrative, and it will also guide you on how you can trade very well and smartly. And then you need to understand that capital preservation is very, very important. No matter how you trade, capital preservation is very important. Even though the trade is going to go against your way, you should make sure you have secured your capital. You should have, that's where your plans comes in. You need to have a trading plan. Why? Because before you enter a trade, you should already have your entry sets. You should already have your exit sets. You should already have your target. You should have your criteria for you to enter that trade. You write down your criteria that the market needs to meet up for you to enter. That's mostly on the charts. When you draw your line on the charts, when the market needs to meet up some of those criteria, that's when you get to decide on when you should enter the trade, which means you need to set your profit and loss. You need to set your targeted profit. You need to set your targeted loss. Don't let emotions and greed enters and makes you want to fight the market or want to revenge trade against the market. Revenge trade is when you lose the money. Let's say you lose a $10, but you have these emotions of you want to use. Let's say firstly you use $10 and you lose $10, you will now want to use $20 times two of the previous money and want to trade the market again so that you're able to recover your $10, and then before you know it, market will end up eating that $10, that $20 again. That is what we call revenge trading, and which is very, very bad. And another thing, you need to review your trades. At the end of the day, when you have closed the trades, you need to review the losses. You need to review the gains. So, which comes down to we are going to write down what works and what fails. And in every trade, you need to learn. You need to understand, why does this go my way? Why does this didn't? So next time when you are trading, you will be going along with your corrections. The more you correct yourself, the more you improve. That's how you become a trader. You have to evolve. You have to learn how to evolve and make smart decisions, and don't let emotions cut you off guard. One thing with sport trading is sport trading rewards patience researchers and risk managers. You have to learn how to take a very proper risk management. That's where your capital preservation comes in. Thank you for today.